This is a video to introduce how to ask what languages can you speak and can you speak Chinese from the Hao Textbook 1, Lesson 8. For this video, you'll need something to write with and something to write on. So to say languages in Chinese, we use the suffix yi. It has a secret umlaut because it comes after a y, so we say yi. And to make languages, we're going to take the names of countries like 英国, 韩国, 日本, and knock off the second syllable, which is usually country, and add 语. So England becomes English, 英语. To say Korean, we would say 韩语. And to say Japanese, we would say 日语. So why don't you take a piece of paper, write the numbers 1, 2, 3, and predict how would we say German, French, and American English. Pause the video because I'm going to show the answers in 1 second. So the answers are German would be 德语, French would be 法语, and American English is 美语. Unfortunately, we can't take China, 中国, and say 中语. For some crazy reason, that's just not the word for Chinese. The word for Chinese is 汉语. So where did this Han come from? Well, the dominant majority in China are called the Han Chinese. They're an ethnic group that constitute 92% of the population. When you think of a Chinese person, if you're not from China, usually what you think of is a Han. Who isn't Han? Well, China has at least 55 ethnic minorities, such as the Mongolians, or the Hui, or the Uyghurs, or the Dai, or the Tibetans. Now, these people are all nationally Han and would learn to speak Chinese, but they'd also have their own culture and often their own language as well. So in our textbook, the Hao Textbook, it's going to use the word Hanyu for the word Chinese. Unfortunately for us, we're also going to be using the word Hanyu, Korean, a lot, since we have a large population of Koreans in our school. This is going to be super confusing because Hanyu and Hanyu sound really similar, even to me. So what we're going to do to fix this is, when we're not reading from the textbook, we're going to use a different word for Chinese. There is another suffix that can be used to say language, and that is wen. So we can say 英文 to mean English, 中文 to mean Chinese, and 日文 to mean Japanese. So again, why don't you number the page 4, 5, 6 and bonus and write out how you'd say these 3 countries' languages instead of using yu, using the suffix wen. Right? Go ahead and pause the video and write those out. And the bonus is, can you tell me what flag goes with this country or which country this indicates? Here's a hint, 蒙古. All right, I'm assuming you've paused. Here's the answers. Obviously, 德文 for German, 法文for French, and 蒙文for Mongolia. So, in the textbook, we'll say Hanyu for Chinese. In class, we'll usually say 中文 to distinguish it from Korean. You can also say 普通话 for Mandarin or common tongue. And in Taiwan, they often call it 国语 for the national language. Now, when we ask, can you speak Chinese? We're going to say, 你会说汉语吗? You can speak Chinese, question word. Now, 会 for can. We've practiced once before. When we were learning the pinyin pronunciation ui, ui, we did interviews where we asked each other, 你会不会开车? Can you drive? Can you ski? Can you dive? And can you ride a horse? And we all wrote 会 for can or 不会 for can't. Please number your paper 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm going to ask you 4 more questions, whether you can or cannot. 会不会 do 4 more verbs. Are you ready? Okay, please answer on your page 会 or 不会. And you can use characters or pinyin. I don't care. Here we go. Number 7. 你会不会洗衣服 Number 2. 你会不会用筷子 Number 9. 你会不会弹吉他 Number 10. 你会不会下棋 So 会 is the word for can. Next, for questions 11 through 14, we're going to be practicing using 说, speak. Okay? So, you're going to answer 会说 or 不会说. Chris Pang 会说中文吗 And the answer is 会说. He can speak it. 费老师会说中文吗 Obama 会说中文吗 Woodrow Wilson 会说中文吗 For questions 15 through 24, we're going to use the words 语言, languages. RM from BTS 会说几个语言 Wow. RM 会说什么语言 17. Natalie Portman 会说几个语言 Natalie Portman 会说什么语言 And the word for Hebrew is here. 希伯来语 J-Lo 和 Shakira 会说几个语言 J-Lo 和 Shakira 会说什么语言 Lisa from Blackpink 会说几个语言 Lisa 会说什么语言 And the last two questions are 你会说几个语言你会说什么语言